good morning. Welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri. So every week we come up with new DIY. So this week and the next week will be onions in skincare and hair care. So this week we'll start with onions in hair care. Okay, so we'll make some easy recipes with this. You can try it at home. And do it yourself and tag us on Instagram if you have done that. Hi Seema, hi Lena. Yeah, we'll wait for a couple of people to join in and then we will start. By the time I'll just tell you what I've done. So what I took 2 onions, chopped them into fine pieces and grinded it in a mixer grinder, and with the help of a muslin cloth, or you can take a strainer also, and strain the onion juice. Okay, so onions are basically very good. They have an ability to promote hair growth and even control the hair fall issues as well. Okay, so if somebody is facing this issue of hair thinning or hair breakage, onion juice works excellently well. So today I'll show you 2 recipes with onions in hair care, and next week we will do onions in skincare. Okay, so let us start with it. So what I'm going to do is take a small katori, okay, add to it 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, so I'm taking 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and to which I'm adding 4 tablespoons of onion juice. Okay, depending on your hair length, basically you can decide on the quantity what you need. So regular use of this onion juice and this olive oil together will help you to give a shiny hair and also improve the quality of the hair. So as we all know, onions are rich in antioxidants, so they can even help to reverse the premature graying of the hair. Also helps to fight dandruff and any bacterial infection in the scalp, and prevents the hair lice as well. Okay, so I've mixed the onion juice and olive oil, to which I will add rosemary essential oil. Okay, I'm adding 6 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary is also good for hair thinning. You can use coconut oil. You can even use castor oil. All 3 oils are very good for hair. So either of it, either coconut oil or olive oil or castor oil. Okay. Does it turn white hair to black? It will gradually help turning, reversing the premature graying of hair, and whatever the new hairs are turning gray, if it is an early age group who is suffering from it, that will help too. Okay, so since I have added rosemary essential oil is anyways very good for hair. It helps to stimulate the blood circulation. Also it is very good for hair thinning. The studies have said that minoxidil, what you get in pharmacy, which is excellent for hair thinning, the allopathic drug. So similar studies have come up with rosemary essential oil. So if you apply rosemary essential oils on the part where you see the thinning. Initially during my pregnancy period, I had severe hair fall and I had this hair thinning issues in the front area, but even regular usage of rosemary essential oil helped me to cover that hair thinning. Would they leave a prominent smell of onion? See, basically I have added now essential oil, so try adding essential oil. That will reduce the smell of onion. So this is smelling more of a rosemary now than of an onion smell. Okay, so mix this well together and apply it on the scalp. Gently massage it for around 30 minutes. gently massage for 5 minutes and leave it on your scalp for around 30 to 40 minutes, and then shampoo, use your regular shampoo or a shampoo bar, and yeah, you're ready to go. So this was our first DIY. So the second DIY will be, remember I had used moong dal in one of my previous videos, if you have seen that. So what I have done, the green moong, I have made a paste, powder of it. Okay, so this powder I'm taking around a spoonful of powder, to which I'm adding honey around half a teaspoon, and to it we will add onion juice, 4 spoonful of it. Okay, mix it well. Okay, so even this will help you for giving that shine if somebody is suffering from dull damaged hair. So this will help taking care of this dull damaged hair as well. Okay, honey is a humectant basically, so it will attract moisture to the hair. And moong dal, so if you feel this is thin consistency, you can just add a spoon, half a spoon of moong dal to it. Okay, to make it little thick, and apply it from the scalp to the hair length and leave it for around 40 minutes, and then shampoo your hair. Okay, so these are 2 easy DIYs, so do try it at home. And yeah, if you see any changes in your hair, this has worked definitely for me. So if you feel free to tag us if you're trying this recipe out. And I'll meet you next Friday with onions in skincare. Okay, so do follow us on Instagram for the new updates. And tomorrow we are coming up with the bath salt and bath bomb workshop. So this was a bath bomb. I guess you have seen the video which was uploaded, a reel which was uploaded yesterday. So tomorrow I have this workshop at 10:45, and on Monday, because a couple of people couldn't join the last workshop on shampoo and conditioner bar, we are having this shampoo conditioner bar again on Monday at 10:45. So if somebody is interested, can DM me. Can we keep the first one overnight? See, the smell of onion will be little overpowering. Okay, so I would prefer at least keeping for 30 to 40 minutes both this recipes which I shared. The earlier one was just using onion juice and olive oil, and in that I added 5 to 6 drops of rosemary essential oil. Okay, and the second remedy was with moong dal ka powder, and to which we added a half a teaspoon of honey and 4 tablespoon of onion juice. So do give it a try and leave us your feedback. Thank you all for joining, and see you all soon. Bye.